Hey, I'm Greg with Zabos Customs, and we've been building a low-cost Sunday driver. Yeah, that's right. We picked up this car for $1,200 at the auction. It's a Mercedes 300 CE 1990, and the paint was just trashed. The interior didn't work quite properly, so we just wanted to make it a little fun, keep the cost down. And what we do here is we customize vehicles, we vinyl wrap, and we do other mods like lowering the cars and working on the engines and some other fun things. So I have a great find here that we're going to put on that 124, a true AMG front spoiler. It's not in the perfect condition, but it's off a 124 and it's really AMG. How do I know? Well, that's because they're stamped. Made in Germany, AMG with a serial number. It's got a lot of little dings and cracks, so I'm going to address all these. I'm going to Bondo, plastic weld, sand down, probably repaint the front lower to match the sides. I'm replacing the bumper guard, and then we'll vinyl wrap to match the color of the car on the top. So stay tuned with Zabos Customs as we walk through this 124 low-cost restoration.